first one is earplugs. Earplugs are small but mighty. There are several types. The first type is foam earplugs. They are the most common ones. They are soft, expandable, and create a good seal in your ear canal to block sound. They are disposable, affordable, and great for everyday use, whether you're riding public transportation, attending a concert, or using power tools. The second types are silicone or rubber earplugs. They are reusable and a bit more durable. Many people find them more comfortable for longer wear. They are perfect for outdoor activities or environments with moderate to high noise levels. Filter earplugs are a great option if you need protection but still want to hear clearly. These don't muffle sound like traditional plugs. They reduce harmful noise while letting speech and music come through. These are ideal for musicians and performers.